Hello, in this video we are going to tell you about our project which we are working in our internship by Bennett University under Leading India AI. Our project is Topic Modeling on Reddit posts. Talking about topic modeling, it is an unsupervised machine learning technique that analyzes text data and generates cluster of words that is the topic. By using this technique, businesses can offload the simple task onto machines instead of overloading their employees with too much data. Just imagine how much time can be saved and spent more on important tasks. Reddit is a website which comprises content including photos, videos, and text based posts. The content is basically divided into categories known as subreddits on the basis of subject of the post, which comprise of topics like sports, news, politics, movies, and many more. Also, users can upvote and downvote on posts and comment as well. For the dataset, we collected it from Kaggle, Reddit India dataset containing posts from 2016 to 2020 which have a domain as politics. The data size before pre-processing was 5 columns and 93,504 rows, and after pre-processing it is having 9 columns and 93,504 rows. We mainly worked on title column to pre-process, analyze and model our data.
Once we got our data set, finally it was time for pre-processing it. By pre-processing, what I mean is that basically making our data set and particularly title column ready for analyzing and the modeling part. We started by removing the unwanted characters like at the day, slash, etc. and removing line, tabs, line break, etc. from the title column of our data set. We used regex functions from RE library for this purpose. After this, we tokenized our data, did stopword removal and lemmatization on it, and stored the above result in a new column called title.pp. We did that to realize how powerful pre-processing can be in our dataset, because there is abundant of words like in, out, a, the. We should not provide a main effective role to our title column. So once we are done with it, we realize that we will be needing few more columns for analyzing part. Therefore, we created the new columns like length. Length means length of number of word in the title in the title of the post. Then word number of characters, and polarity. By polarity, it means that whether the title is more positive in nature or negative in nature. By positive, it means whether it includes word like wisely, nice, great, and the same goes for it being in negative in nature too. Finally, we were done with pre-processing and it was time for analyzing our data. At first, even I wondered what's the need of analyzing it. Well, our data set is ready, why not let's model it? But through the proper guidance, I realized that analyzing is very important, because it gets us to know that whether our data set is actually ready for modeling or not, and we'll get to know about many more factors like what is the average length of what is the particular length of the top of the title post, etc. on our topic, which we won't just by modeling our data. Therefore, we found the number of stop words in our data set, uppercase words in the data, but more importantly, we tried to find how popular, how many posts were made in a particular year, month, day, etc. We got to know on which year and in which day that Reddit India dataset was most popular. We tried to find the many distributions like length of title versus frequency distribution, average word count distribution. We used correlation function to find the correlation between different columns like length, word count, polarity, etc. We use Seaborn library and matplotlib.plyplot for the same. Then we use the count vectorizers for finding the most common words, bigram, trigrams in our data set. We got to know about which words were very rare in our data set or which words were extremely common in our data set. By doing this, we were done with the EDN. We used LDA, latent Dirichlet allocation, for the purpose of topic modeling. LDA is basically a distribution of distributions. So what it does is basically it maintains a distribution of topics in document and distribution of words per topic to extract the main topic in our document. Well, main parameters for this are the number of topics and the number of unique words per topic. Well, we started randomly with these parameters and soon realized that changing the number of top word is not having a much impact on our model, but yes, changing the number of unit topic is affecting our model a lot. The clear difference comes at the point when the number of topics is 6. Before 6, we got the result where the topics were categorized in a very general way. So the main words were like COVID, student, general, reservation, etc. But when we changed the number of topics from 3, 4, 5 to 6, the result was visible. Now the result is more BJP, India, Modi, Prime Minister centric. Finally, we went with the number of unique topics equal to 6 and number of top words equal to 10.
Through EDA, we got the idea regarding which words, bigrams, trigrams, etc. were more common and the type of length number of words in a post. More number of posts were made in the year 2017. Most common length of the title is around 70. Most common bigrams are PM Modi and Narendra Modi. The most optimal output for the LDA is 6 topics, each categorized by a series of top 10 words. LDA doesn't give a topic name to those categories and it's our task to do it. The model runs very quickly and we are able to extract common topics in few seconds. Furthermore, there are some limitations of LDA that it assumes that there are distinct topics in the dataset. Since our dataset contains only data from one domain, the result is not easily interpretable.